Hello and welcome to WebMeet. This tutorial shows you how to save your videos once, then play them anytime, from any device for your guests. Have you ever tried to show a video in a live meeting, and screenshare turns into a messy, choppy playback, broken audio, and the guests on weak Wi-Fi are totally lost? And in that moment, how confident do you feel leading the room? Present Videos fixes that. Once you're inside your meeting, click the Home menu, then select Present Videos. Think of it like having a built-in TV inside your meeting room. You're not broadcasting your screen and hoping it works. You're simply playing the video directly from the room so it plays smoothly for your guests. No tab hopping, no downloads, no risky bandwidth spikes, and no other suggested videos appearing at the end. Just 2 clicks and you arrive ready and look professional every time. And if you're building a team or organization, this matters. The faster a new member can feel confident and ready in front of a live online audience, the faster they build confidence and the faster your team grows. Here's one of the biggest reasons Present Videos work so well for teaching, selling, and onboarding. On most meeting platforms, the host will mistakenly keep live video running alongside the video you want guests focused on. This creates distraction and constantly competes for guests' attention. People watch faces, movement, background activity, and they miss your message. WebMeet prevents that common mistake by keeping live cameras off while showing your videos, so guests can only focus on the visuals you worked hard to create, and they remember what you said. WebMeet stays show ready because any videos you add here are saved in your room until you delete them. That means you're not tied to one laptop or one device. You can log in from any internet-connected device and your videos will be ready and waiting. To add a video, click Add Video. Paste your YouTube link, name the video, then click Save. To play a video for guests, click Select to Present next to the video you want, then press Play. You can pause to discuss, rewind, or fast forward anytime, then resume right where you left off. And when you no longer need a video, click Delete to remove it from your room. When you're ready to stop showing the video and switch to something else, click Stop Present. You'll see 2 options. Stay on Present Videos, so you can choose a different video, or return to Video Roundtable to re-engage face-to-face for questions and answers or discuss next steps. That's Present Videos. Add once, show them from anywhere, keep guests focused, and transition like a pro in 2 clicks. Thank you for your interest in WebMeet, and thanks for watching.